do something we call concatenation, so that you can combine two strings. That is something that you do very often in Python. So let's go ahead and do one. So we can have something like a greeting, like hello, and then a name, hello John, or hello Breton, or hello someone else. Let's see how you do the concatenation. Let's go ahead. So let's have the variable greeting. We can just remove these prints here. We don't need them. Greeting is hello. Then we have the name. We can use string 1 as the name. So let's just change this as the name. Then let's do the concatenation. So message will be the greeting variable. And then you have the plus sign. Then you're going to have a space in between and a comma. We can do that so that we have hello. And then you do the plus sign. So you're just adding the two strings because they're both strings. So that is what we call concatenation. And then at the end of it all, you can have the exclamation because it's a greeting. And then let's print this and see what it brings out. So message. And remember we did commenting. So you can comment here and see the output is supposed to be hello. Then you should have a comma, and then you should have return. Let's see if, and then we should have an exclamation at the end. Let's see. Go ahead and run that again. So hello Breton. You can see that is what get back. So that is concatenation in Python.